Embracing the wisdom of Stoic philosophy can significantly enhance your ability to keep New Year's resolutions, fostering resilience and discipline in the face of challenges. Stoicism, founded by ancient philosophers like Seneca, Epictetus, and Marcus Aurelius, provides practical insights that are applicable to modern resolutions, such as adopting a healthier diet or quitting drinking. Here are key Stoic principles to help you maintain your resolutions. Stoicism emphasizes focusing on things within your control and accepting those outside of it. When making resolutions, concentrate on actions and decisions you can manage. For instance, if your resolution is to improve your diet, concentrate on your meal choices rather than external factors like others' opinions or societal pressures. Epictetus emphasized the importance of setting realistic expectations to avoid disappointment. When setting resolutions, be practical about the goals you can achieve within a given time frame. Instead of aiming for an extreme diet overhaul, consider gradually introducing healthier eating habits. Seneca's teachings encourage mindfulness and self-reflection. Regularly assess your progress, acknowledging both successes and setbacks without harsh judgment. If your resolution is to quit drinking, reflect on the moments that trigger the desire to drink and find healthier alternatives to cope with stress or social situations. Marcus Aurelius believed in viewing challenges as opportunities for personal growth. When facing difficulties and adhering to your resolutions, see them as chances to strengthen your resolve and discipline. For instance, if maintaining a diet becomes challenging, consider it an opportunity to develop resilience and learn more about your eating habits. Epictetus advised anticipating potential obstacles and preparing strategies to overcome them. If your resolution is to quit drinking, visualize scenarios where you might be tempted to plan alternative actions. Having a predetermined response to challenges enhances your ability to stay committed to your resolution. Stoicism places importance on virtue and wisdom over momentary pleasure. Apply this principle to resolutions by prioritizing long-term benefits over immediate gratification. When tempted to deviate from your resolution, remind yourself of the virtues and values associated with your goals. By integrating these Stoic principles into your New Year's resolutions, you can foster a resilient mindset and increase the likelihood of success in endeavors such as adopting a healthier diet or quitting drinking. Stoicism offers a timeless guide for navigating life's challenges with wisdom and discipline.